Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking garage door openers, and you are probably watching this because your remote is not opening nor closing your garage door. In this video we want to talk about the most common causes that lead to this. Let's take a look. We are now inside our vehicle, sitting outside the garage. You can see the garage door is closed, and I'm wearing pink gloves in respect and awareness of the October Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Here is our Chamberlain remote control opener and closer. By selecting it, you'll hear it click, and nothing happens. Let me try it a couple more times. So as you can see, our garage door opener remote is not working. From here, let's go inside the garage and begin troubleshooting the possible and most common causes. And prior to going inside the garage, first I want to check the exterior portion of the garage door, make sure that there is nothing obstructing the garage door. And inside on the bottom left and the bottom right corners of the door are safety reverse sensors. Let's go inside and check those out. Inside the garage now, and the bottom left hand corner as well as the bottom right hand corner have your safety reverse sensors. They're pretty cool little gadgets. Check this out. You've got a wing nut that secures the actual sensor to a metal plate or bracket, and you've got an LED light. That LED light is not supposed to be blinking. In the event that it is blinking, you need to realign this sensor. Let's take a look at the front. Kind of looks like a security camera, doesn't it? Has a little eyeball inside, and it shoots a beam and looks all the way to the opposite sensor, and in the event that there is any obstruction along that beam, your garage door will not open. Down at the bottom left hand side, again, the light is stationary, it is not blinking, the wing nut is secure, the sensor is secured to the plate, and there's no leaves, no cobwebs, no obstructions. So with that said, we can confirm that that is not the issue causing our remote not to work. Let's move on to the second step. The second troubleshooting step, I want you to locate your wall-mounted garage door opener and closer, and in the event that you have the exact same Chamberlain model here, you will do as follows. See the menu, select the menu push button, and the down arrow here push button, select that until it is highlighting lock disabled, or maybe in your case it will say lock on. However, since ours is disabled, over here, the far right push button, by pushing it, it will turn the lock on. However, we do not want our lock on. In the event that your lock is on, this will say off. You want to push that to disable your lock. Click exit, and now your lock is fully disabled. In the event that you have a different model and you have an LED blinking light here, push and hold for about 3 to 5 seconds until that light goes out, and that will deactivate the lock or disable the lock. And with that said, we now know that our lock was disabled, so that is not the cause of our remote control not opening and closing the door. Let's move on to the third step. Troubleshooting step number 3. I am back in the vehicle. I'm going to pull down the remote. It is very possible that your remote needs to be reprogrammed. And in the event that you have multiple remotes for separate vehicles, you may need to reprogram both of them or all of them. A few things cause these remotes to become unprogrammed and need reprogramming. Number 1, it could be a power outage. And number 2, which is the most common cause, your safety reverse sensors are damaged, unaligned, or there is an obstruction in the line of that beam that connects the left sensor to the right sensor. And you will need to make sure that you reprogram this actual remote. Now, in the event that you reprogram both remotes and your garage door is still not opening and closing, it is on to troubleshooting step number 4. We will need to replace the batteries. So check the video out below, walk you through the step-by-step, very easy and friendly DIY project of either programming this remote or replacing the batteries. That's it, YouTubers. See a pretty quick, friendly DIY project. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.